truly immense and with impressive prospects, the new markilux pergola stretch sets a new benchmark in how al fresco living is experienced. This restrained awning system is particularly well suited to large open areas. Its sober design provides optimum protection against sun, wind and rain. The main feature is the new space-saving folding cover, which travels in and out on the lateral guide tracks. The transverse profiles and the perfectly tailored fabric provide ideal cover tension when the awning is fully extended. When closed, a canopy at the front protects the fabric against the vagaries of the weather and gives the system an enduring, harmonious appearance. The combination of our 7 standard frame colours with a wide range of fabrics means it can be put to use almost anywhere, outside a penthouse, in a back garden or in the hospitality sector. The pergola stretch is a system of superlatives. With its 7 by 7 metres and a shaded area of 49 square metres, it's our largest solar protection system as one single unit. As a coupled system, up to 5 units can be joined together in a line, making it possible to shade an area of up to 175 square metres. To enable such large dimensions to be covered, the pergola stretch is built on a very stable frame, which brings a number of advantages with it. Rainwater runs via the front profile, the gutter and posts to the ground, which functions faultlessly even at the minimum pitch of 5 degrees. Flexibility in planning is paramount, so the posts can be moved in or out. Additional vertical blind systems can also be integrated, such as, for example, all the models in the markilux format series. These guarantee protection against the elements and the sun, even when it's low in the sky. To provide more comfort in the evening, the pergola stretch can be personalized with various lighting and heating options. LED strip lighting and the cover support profiles ensure a pleasant atmosphere. And even more lighting can be attached to the optional crossbeam. It can be equipped with additional LED strip lighting or spot lighting, which can be used to create an accentuated lighting effect. Or the crossbeam can be used in conjunction with strip lighting and heaters to prolong your sojourn on the patio. The new Sunvas Perla FR material was developed specially to give you a wide choice of suitable awning fabrics. This material's been given a waterproof and highly flame-retardant finish. The cover is made up using all but invisible transverse seams, lending the cover an overall harmonious appearance. Moreover, the transversely arranged cover support profiles ensure extraordinarily high aerial stability. Over and above that, a selection of UV-resistant PVC fabrics, which are also waterproof and flame-retardant, is also available. Think big with the markilux pergola stretch. For more information, visit our website at markilux.com. Configure your pergola stretch here or make an appointment with your local markilux specialist dealer.